What up, beauties? Today in this video I have some hair from HOTBRAIDS and we're going to do some mini twists today. So I'm just going to show you everything that's included in the package. So they sent me over 5 packs of their 4A, 4B Afro Kinky Coily human hair. And they also sent me over some samples of their other hair textures, and I'm just going to show you each one. And I'm also going to show you the difference in twist with each one. So you get this little pamphlet with all your information. They also send you over this box with a comb, a brush, and some clips. They send you over a lot of goodies, so and I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair off camera just to, make it a little easy for me when I do the parting. Off in the back, I'm just going to show you a couple in the back, and then once I get the hair mostly done, I'm going to come back. But all I'm doing to install the hair, I'm just going to start with a braid and then get my hair secured in there. And then I'm going to start twisting. And when I'm twisting my real hair, I'm going to roll the twist a little bit, just on the parts where I'm trying to blend my hair in. Once I get all my hair blended in, I'm not rolling. I'm just going to loosely twist. And if you can't grip, I would recommend doing the crochet method with installing these. So you would just braid your real hair down in a little plait. You don't have to braid it all the way down. Just braid it down a little bit and then just crochet the hair in your head like that. It was easy to work with. I had minimum shedding with the hair, easy to section off and separate. I used 2 strands per twist, and I just fluffed out the strands and then combined them together, and that's how I created this length. Now I wasn't going for a steady length. I kind of wanted to do a layered look. I started on Friday night and I got done Sunday night. Ended up using 3 full packs and like 20 pieces out of the 4th pack. And also I'm going to show you how I care for my hair with this style. To keep my scalp fresh while wearing these twists, I'm going to use the Sacred Scalp Refreshing Spray, and oh my god, it feels so good on your scalp. I'm going to apply some water and then I'm going to define the curls out a little bit better. And the hair is very lightweight. Like, it don't even feel like I have this much hair in my head. I also received this scarf with my order, so I'm just going to show you some styles that you can do.